Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview A200 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, you want to find the Do Not Disturb mode. For me, it is right over here. So once you find yours, which might be also on the second page, so once you find it, hold it the first time, and this will take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. So I urge you to go over all these options and just change them to fit your needs. I'm just going to talk about a couple of them, like for instance the schedule. In here you can select a fully automatic schedule, which allows you to choose day of the week, start and end time. And if you're planning to use any kind of schedule, you just toggle it on in here, and that's all. You don't need to do anything extra. Now there might also be, there we go, duration for quick settings. This defines what happens when you manually press on the toggle itself. By default, it is set to until you turn it off, which means that when you enable it, it just runs indefinitely in the background until you remember that it is running. So I personally like to select it on a timer, make it something like 3-4 hours. So some period of time that I find to be basically long enough to cover whatever I need it for, plus maybe a little bit of time extra should be good enough. So there we go. And now, with that being set to 3 hours, when you toggle it on, it will run for that 3 hours, at which point it's going to automatically turn off. So you no longer need to remember about it running in the background. Now, you can also turn it off before the timer runs out by tapping on the toggle once again. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.